Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Efootball on iPhone with a PS4 controller. Start by pairing your DualShock 4 and iPhone Bluetooth, then open Efootball and enable controller input. If Bluetooth drops, try toggling Bluetooth or moving closer to the iPhone. Use a USB adapter only when wireless fails, and keep firmware updated when possible. Test basic buttons in a local match to confirm movement and passing respond correctly before competitive play. Pairing over Bluetooth gives convenient wireless play, but wired using a Lightning to USB adapter can reduce input lag and dropouts. If you choose wired, plug the controller into the adapter and connect to the iPhone, then confirm controller is recognized in Efootball. For wireless, keep controller within a few meters and avoid crowded Bluetooth bands. Repair after major iOS updates to maintain stable connections and consistent controls. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips and guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a fun companion while you play, pumping stadium vibe audio into your room without cables. It pairs with phones for easy voice control and music between matches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Customize button mapping inside Efootball to match your PS4 muscle memory, and adjust sensitivity for smoother dribbling and passing. If you notice stick drift or delayed responses, test the controller in another app to isolate hardware issues. Clear the game cache, restart your iPhone, and repair the controller when problems persist. Always confirm in training mode that acceleration, tackles, and shoots register correctly before jumping into online matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.